Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right, dive straight in. As you can see by the thumbnail, I've set up a blacksmithing company. So basically, now that I'm a business owner, I thought, what should I do with this blacksmithing company? I happen to be very, very good friends with the Prince of Persia. So I thought the best way to celebrate his birthday is to give him a gift. And what do you give a man who's got everything? Exactly. Well, a man who's got everything's probably got a bad back as well, and can't bend down to tie up his shoes or put on his shoes. So I thought I'd make him a shoehorn which will last 100 years, because that is the span of our friendship. You also can get the Persian Prince 100-year shoehorn on our online store. The link will be in the description below.